my acquaintances. This is a Hallomeme edition of Wake and Bake. I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious pumpkin seeds. First thing you gotta do is gut your pumpkin and extract the seeds, then carve your pumpkin, and then you should end up with something like this. I love the smell of the pumpkin. People say it's not a good smell. I just once you've acquired new fresh seeds, put them in a strainer. Clear out some space. And rinse them off. Now, to start the preparation, get a little bit of a pan or cookie sheet. Get some salt. Lay a bit of salt. Oh yeah, preheat your oven to 300. Lay a bit of salt. Get a little bit of sugar. And then I get a little sugar in me. I'm an okay kind of guy. I'm normal guy. I'm a cool kind of guy. I'm an average kind of guy. I'm a pretty cool guy. Then I get a little bit of sugar in me. Alright, and then you want to, as evenly as possible, distribute them. It's okay if there's a little bit of water because it'll bake out of it. So top them also with a layer of salt, and this is the important part, a big layer of sugar. This is what gives them the glaze. So now you just wait about 10 minutes ish, 10 to 20 minutes, or until they're looking kind of golden brown-ish. Okay, so the edges are going to be golden brown. The whole thing's not going to be golden brown. I don't know how my camera went from 15 minutes to 1 minute. It was off the entire time they were cooking. It took about 30, 40 minutes, actually. And then they're done. That's it. You add as much salt, sugar back to the top as you want. Sometimes cinnamon too. They're really good. Yum, yum, yum. You know, bye, subscribe, see you later, all you haters.